Pating Reviews presents Skytech Azure Gaming PC AMD Ryzen 5 3600 3.6 GHz. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. I bought this PC being very skeptical that it came with the new GPUs, but the setup is easy and it runs great. It's one of the best PCs out there for this price. The build is clean and comes with instructions on how to check everything to make sure you are set up to use it. And it also comes with a mouse and keyboard, which was a nice surprise to me. Overall, it's a great computer with a great aesthetic. Would recommend Skytech to any of my friends. Here's a bit more information about this gaming PC. Brand Skytech Gaming. CPU model Ryzen 5 3600, RAM 16GB, Series Azure. The AMD Ryzen 5 3600 6-core 3.6 GHz, 4.2 GHz max boost CPU, B450 m-ATX motherboard, 1TB NVMe SSD, GeForce RTX 3070 8GB of GDDR6 graphics card. Brand may vary. 16GB of DDR4, 3000 MHz gaming memory, Windows 10 Home 64-bit, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, no bloatware, graphic output options including HDMI and DisplayPort, HD audio and mic, free gaming keyboard and mouse included. Minimum 6 USB ports including 2.0, 3.0 and 3.2 ports. 3 RGB fans for maximum airflow. Stock air coolers, powered by 80+ gold certified 650 watt power supply. InWin 103 Skytech Special RGB Edition Black. 1-year warranty on parts and labor, lifetime free technical support, assembled in the USA. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games, such as World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Grand Theft Auto 5, Apex Legends, Fortnite, Roblox, Overwatch, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Battlefield 5, Minecraft, The Division 2, and more at high to ultra settings. Crisp 1440p quad HD resolution and smooth 60+ frames per second gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.